Editing a Wix Studio template allows you to customize your website to fit your brand and needs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Access Wix Studio. Log into your Wix Studio account. Select the project you want to edit or create a new one by choosing a template. Open the editor. Click Edit Site to open the Wix Studio editor. This is where you can modify your template's design, content and structure. Customize page content. Text. Click on any text box to edit. You can change the font, size, color and alignment. Images. Select an image to replace, crop or add effects. Use the Media Manager to upload new photos. Sections. Click Add Section to insert new content blocks like galleries, contact forms or videos. Modify site design. Use the design panel to adjust global styles for a cohesive look. Customize layouts using containers, grids and flex boxes for advanced design control. Optimize for mobile. Switch to mobile view to ensure your site looks great on smartphones and tablets. You can fine-tune mobile-specific settings here. Save and publish. Click Save to keep changes as drafts. Hit Publish to make your edited template live.